Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian with another great edition of Talk with Angelo. Today I'm here to answer all your questions that pertain to mortgages, credit, real estate, or investing. And every single Friday we do a live call-in where people can call in and ask their questions, whatever you're trying to do, whether you're trying to buy a house or invest, or trying to boost up your credit to get qualified to buy a home, or join our top producing mortgage real estate university. It's our #1 platform for real estate education. We teach you how to become a top producer. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Angelo Christian, and I've been in the mortgage and finance industry for over 15 years. Been trading, investing, and just released our real estate mortgage university, where top producers can come in and learn how to monetize with real estate with our school and become successful. We've seen a lot of our students lately really doing very well, making a lot of money, helping people become homeowners, whether it's you're trying to be a realtor or a loan officer. There's so many great opportunities with real estate. Or if you're trying to buy a house, or you're trying to get pre-approved to buy a home and maybe you're having challenges, I'd love to talk with you to see what we could do to help you, either with boosting up your credit, helping you with the down payment, or whatever it may be. So we're going to take a couple calls today and also be answering our frequently asked questions. People ask questions on the show. They send me emails, and I'm going to go over some of those questions publicly, so you guys can have a better expand your knowledge to learn more about the process to buy a home and what it takes as far as the requirements, because it's a very cumbersome process. There's a lot of details, and you have to make sure that you know what those details are if you're going to be successful. Whether you want to become a loan officer, you want to become a top producing realtor. Most realtors and loan officers fail after 1 year in the business, and they don't make the income that they wanted to because they don't have a mentor, they don't have a coach. And that's one of the things that Real Estate Mortgage University does. It helps you to become successful. Not only do you get your license, you can also learn how to make money in the industry. Also get customers' leads delivered to you. We have a platform where you get your license, you get customers delivered to you, and we teach you how to make money, how to learn the guidelines, how to master them to ensure that you're successful. The average income of a realtor or loan officer is like $50,000 a year. You can't live off of that. So we want our producers to be making 6 and 7 figures. And with our streamlined platform, you're able to learn that. So it's a wonderful opportunity, whether you're trying to join mortgage university, or you're trying to buy a house. That's really what we specialize in. Or if you're trying to buy, get customers for your business, we also have lead generation. Or if you want first-time buyers, FHA customers, VA customers, refinance customers, we have leads for you too. So definitely love to talk to you about that. You can give us a call. What's the number that everyone's calling in at? There's 832-698-9892. So call in, talk with Angelo if you have any questions pertaining to real estate, investments, trading. I'd love to talk to you about that. I'm also a very active trader in the markets. So whatever questions you have, please give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about it. In the meantime, what we'll do is go over some of the frequently asked questions. So one of the questions I got recently last night, and you'll see this on the screen, is with Mortgage University, how is it different than a regular school? And the response to that is the biggest way how it's different is most real estate schools, you just get your license, but they don't actually teach you how to make money. So with Real Estate Mortgage University, we're teaching you the hacks, 15 years of experience condensed down to a streamlined path so you can be successful, so you can monetize, right? So we're showing you what the guidelines are, how to evaluate income, how to evaluate credit, how to sell, how to close, how to overcome objections. FHA, VA, USDA loans, how to structure loans. One of the biggest weaknesses where most loan officers and realtors fail is how to structure a deal the right way, right? And so we are showing the students how to successfully do this so they can quickly monetize. We've trained over 200 people for this position, and all of them that have made it are all earning 6 and 7 figures income. So that's the results. The results speak for themselves. The proof is in the pudding, right? So, the other thing is that we make sure that our students, we have a CRM, a customer relationship management software, where there's lead generation, where customers are coming in to you. So every single day you open up your inbox in your CRM, you have new customers already in there for you. Like I have a student right now that's in Miami, Every single day that she gets up, there's new customers coming to her. So that part of the equation's already been figured out. She doesn't have to go find the customer, which is half the battle, because we're delivering those clients to her directly. So that's where it's going to be a huge difference compared to a regular school or university that just says, here's your diploma. You know, so you're getting your license, but you're also being taught how to make the money, which is two separate learnings, and you're also getting the customer sent to you. So that's the biggest difference on how Real Estate Mortgage University is different. Okay, so that was a great question. And so, guys, if you want to call in, you can call in, talk with Angelo. We're going to be here for a few more minutes and love to discuss with you any of your questions, whether it's in regards to trading or investing or, you know, mortgages or, you know, credit. So I had another question last night. Family emailed me. They got denied by their bank in Missouri. They had a 569 credit score. They're getting ready to go under contract. Hello, this is Talk with Angelo. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing okay.
Hey, who am I speaking with?
Hey, this is John.
Hey, John. How are you doing, man?
I'm doing okay.
Awesome,
Just,
bud.
Giving you a call.
Thank you so much. Yeah, how can we help you? What questions do you have?
Well, that's the thing. See, this is my first time actually buying a house.
Okay.
So everything's new to me.
Right. Well, don't worry,
So-
man. We're here to walk you through every step of the way to make sure that you're, you know, successful. Where are you looking to buy a house, and what area?
I'm actually located in the Houston area, so I was thinking somewhere maybe around Pearland.
Okay, Pearland area. Okay, so and what type of home are you looking for? Like a single family, or are you looking for a manufactured or a condo? What type of house do you like?
Yeah, single family. You know, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths.
Got it.
Something
Got
like
it.
that.
And is it just going to be you buying the home, or somebody else with you as well?
My spouse.
Okay, so you are married. Okay, so
Yes.
the process is, you know, what we do here. We are we're the lender. You know, the government-sponsored lender, and we also do the realty. So we have properties through our approved realtor brokers that are for sale. They have brand new homes. They have existing homes. We also specialize in helping with credit boosting if you need that, and then we also have down payment assistance and grants. So the first step is to get pre-approved to find out what you qualify for. Now that we know what you want a 3-bedroom plus home in Pearland, the next step is, okay, let's find out what you qualify for. And the process is you'd fill out an application where we verify your income and your credit, and based on your debt ratio and based on the underwriting guidelines, we find out exactly what you qualify for. From there, you get a pre-approval letter. Okay, and that pre-approval letter is like a certified award letter. It's kind of like the movie ticket to get into the movie, the ticket to ride the ride. It shows that you've been approved for funding, and it shows how much you've got qualified for based on your income, based on your credit, and your debt ratio, right? So you take that letter with the approved realtor to start your house shopping with your wife. And then once you find the house that you want, you show them your pre-approval letter, you make the offer, and then you have the opportunity and the privilege to be able to purchase that home. So, and it takes about 3 days or so to get you pre-approved, and it takes about 30 to 45 days to do the closing. Like I said, you can buy a brand new home, you can buy an existing home, you can buy a foreclosure, or any of the above. The biggest thing how we're different is you don't have to have an 800 credit score like a bank requires or have 20% down. We go down to a 550 credit score, and we have 0 down programs and grants to help you to pay for closing costs. So that's the overall process of how it works.
Okay, yeah. You know, those down payment assistance programs, you know, that'd be very helpful as well as that.
Yeah, we'd love to
that you
help you.
mentioned.
What I'll do, John, is we'll get all your information, have my team reach out to you so we can get you pre-approved and then help you on your home search and get you and your family into your new home.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much for calling, and we will be reach out to you right after this and get you taken care of, sir.
Okay, I look forward to working with you.
Yeah, you take care and have a wonderful day.
All
right, bye-bye. Thank you. That was a great call right there. Someone that doesn't know the process, they're a first-time buyer. We're explaining to them how they actually to purchase a home. So my team will reach out to them and get them pre-approved and help them to find a great house. So going back to the other email I got last night, there was a family in Missouri. They had a 569 credit score, and they want to go under contract to purchase a home. but they got denied by their local bank because their score is too low, and they contacted me, and we were able to. Basically, they were frustrated because they got denied by their bank, and they're already putting an offer on the home, and they're ready to move forward to buy the house, and then all of a sudden the bank tells them, no, there's no way we can help you. Calling. Hey, Talk with Angelo, how you doing? Hello, are you there?
Yes.
Hey,
Hello?
what's going on? This is Angelo Christian. Thank you so much for calling in. How are you?
I'm doing good. Yeah, just
Awesome. Who am I talking to?
My name is Damien.
Hey, Damien, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. How
Awesome.
about you?
I'm fantastic, sir. Happy to talk with you. What city are you calling from?
I'm actually calling from Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Oh, Tulsa. Yeah, I've been there many times. Cool. So, how can we help you? What questions do you have about trading or investing or buying a house or credit? What's on your mind?
I was I'm living in an apartment right now with my wife and 2 kids.
Okay.
And we were looking at getting a house.
Yeah.
And I just I read a lot of stuff online, but I just don't know where to start.
Right.
And there's a lot of information, but
Right.
I need a clear, kind of clear answer.
Yeah.
So what kind of programs do you guys have for, first-time home buyers?
Yeah, there's a lot of different opportunities for first-time buyers. And so basically, there's USDA, there's FHA, there's VA. The first thing what we want to do is, find out more about you. Like, did you serve in the military?
No, I didn't.
Okay. So you didn't
yeah.
serve in the military, but you are a first-time buyer?
Correct.
Okay, there's also first-time buyer tax credits. It's a tax credit certificate that can also help to give you $10,000 off. That's a huge thing for first-time buyers. In Tulsa, there's also. Do you have any Native American, any background or culture or heritage with Native American?
I don't, but my wife does.
Okay, there's a program called the Section 184 Native American Indian Loan, and if she has basically any Native American, descent, you can use that program, and it helps pay your closing costs. Has a very small down payment of only 2% down. Very flexible credit requirements down to a 580 credit score, and there's no mortgage insurance that you have to pay. And basically the whole state of Oklahoma is approved for the Section 184 Indian Loan. That's a great program that we can get you pre-approved for. Yeah, and you can get all your closing costs included and up to 2 months no house payments. What type of home are you looking for? Like a 3-bed, 2-bath, or a 4-bedroom, or what is it that you guys like?
Yeah, definitely 4-bedroom. I got a big growing family.
Okay.
Something with a little bit of land. So something probably away from the city.
Okay.
Just so where I can grow and
Right.
my family can grow.
Right. Well, we have a lot of different properties for sale. Through our approved real estate brokers. That have acreage. Acreage communities are synonymous in the Tulsa area, so we can definitely help you with that. The way it works is we would pre-approve you, make an application, get you pre-approved, and you would get a pre-approval letter from us, and then you would take that with one of the approved realtors to start your house shopping, and then you'd have that opportunity to be able to purchase the home. And like I said, you can buy a brand new home, you can buy an existing home, you can buy a foreclosure, any of the above is fine. So the way this works is, Damien, is that my team would reach out to you and assess your situation, what your goals are, which we have a better understanding now, and then get you pre-approved. We'd verify your income and your credit. You send in like your W-2s, your pay stubs. It takes about 3 days to review everything, and then you would get a certificate of award letter, and that pre-approval letter would allow you to actually start the house shopping with the realtor. And then once you find the house that you want, you have that opportunity, that privilege to be able to purchase the home. And then the closing takes about 30 to 40 days to do the closing. But I would definitely say that how much is your rent right now?
Man, my rent's it's like around $1,100 right now.
Yeah, see, that's how much is that a year? Like $13,000, $12,000 a year?
Yeah.
So how long have you been renting for?
I've been renting for 6 years now.
Wow. So you've given the landlord at that place like $75,000.
Yeah, I could have paid for a house already.
How does that make you feel?
Not really good, man. I just like I say, I didn't know where to start. And,
Yeah.
I know I'm throwing money away, but
Right.
and now's the time to I gotta make a change.
Yeah, man. I mean, did you know you can buy a home with, zero to little money down?
No, I didn't know that. Everybody I talked to said I had to put 20% down or.
Yeah, no, it's crazy,
Uh,
man. You don't have to put 20% down. It's not true. There's zero down opportunities to be able to own a home. And that's really what we specialize in, especially if you guys are, have the Native, if we can go with the Native American 184 program, that would definitely help you guys out and save you like $10,000. And, the whole thing is, and I was there too 15 years ago, I was stuck renting. My bank denied me. And I found the USDA program. And the first house that I bought was with a USDA zero down home buyer. And what happens is we get like a tunnel vision. We get conditioned to think that we can't own a home because this happened or my mom said I needed 20% down or my bank denied me. So we get stuck and we don't realize that there's people like me and my company where we want to help people to get into a house and do whatever we can to help them regardless of their situation, provided that they have the ability to repay the loan. And so we work endlessly 7 days a week to help people to get it figured out, whether you need a credit boost, whether you need help with closing costs, if you need help to find a house or whatever the case may be. So I'm glad that you reached out, and I got to commend you on that because of having the courage to step out and wanting to make a change with your life. So I'm very appreciative towards that. We'll definitely work endlessly to help you, for you and your family to get into your home. So Damien, I will have my team reach out to you after the call and get you pre-approved and help you to find your new home, okay?
Okay, yeah, that sounds like a plan. Yeah, please, try to do,
I will.
What you can for me and my family, and
You got it.
I look forward to it.
Yeah, thank you so much. Have a good weekend, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Another a great call. A lot of people, they don't believe that they can own a home, and they're confused and not really sure what to do. So if you guys, if you're out there and you're trying to get help with buying a house, we'd love to talk to you and help you and your family get into your house. It doesn't matter if you're in California, Washington, Florida, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Houston, Texas. We're here for you to help you to own your new home. And I want to finish back on, talking about this family yesterday that reached out to me. And basically they're in Missouri, in the St. Louis area. And like I said, their bank denied them for the loan. They had a 569 credit score. And so, and they're very frustrated because they want to go buy the house and they're with their realtor and they don't know what to do. So they contact me and we run them through a credit action plan, our credit simulator, to boost up their credit score. And we get them to a 623 credit score. We get them pre-approved and they're able to go under contract to buy their house. And now we have a close date for June 1st. So we totally turned their life around, their situation, by focusing on solving the problem, getting them pre-approved, and helping them to get into their home. And they were getting ready to walk away from the whole thing, and they saw one of my videos, and they contacted me. There was another gentleman that we spoke to yesterday in California. He's a disabled vet, 90% disabled, in San Diego, and he just got denied for a $400,000 loan. Because his bank said he had to have a 620 credit score. He has a 610. So, we quickly, got him in and got him pre-approved. We go down to a 550 credit score with the Veterans Program, and he was able to find a nice 3-bedroom home for him and his family, a little bit outside of San Diego. And now we're closing like on June 13th. And you see, it's just like, it's crazy to me, and the guy was spending like $3,000 a month in rent in San Diego, and he can own a home for $2,400 a month. So he's going from $3,000 a month down to, saving $600 a month on his house payment, and he can actually own the home. And this is a disabled veteran who served our country and, is, stuck in a jam, and we're going to do everything in our power to help our veterans, to get into a home. So those are the opportunities that are out there. You have to understand, like with the VA program, like we talked about last week, they actually don't have a credit score requirement. That's up to the underwriter and the bank's overlays, their requirements. Like I said, we go down to a 550 credit score. Most banks require a 620 or 640 or 700 score. We're way more lenient and flexible in understanding, especially on a VA program or FHA. So if you guys are out there and you're looking to get help with buying a home, reach out to us. We'd love to help you. You can call in on the show or apply online below, and we'll do everything in our power to help you guys to make it happen, because you deserve to own a house. It doesn't make any sense to waste money on rent when you can own your own home. I mean, come on. Why would you want to do that? You need something you can call your own. You only live one life. I always say, like my dad told me, Angelo, it's better to live rich than die rich. You want to pay a little extra, get what you want, as opposed to paying less and making a mistake. And you don't want to be 80 years old and look back and never own a home and regret that. You don't want to live your life with regret like that. You want to have something that you have privacy that you can call your own. So definitely reach out to us to get help with buying your home, or if you're looking to get into the real estate and lending industry, sign up for Mortgage University. It's a lifetime guarantee. It's not about taking your money. It's about educating you to become empowered. If that can help you double your income next year for 2019, help your family, then it's worth it. You have nothing to lose. People spend $10 on a Frappuccino or $200 on a pair of shoes, but they won't spend $50 on educating their mind. And like Warren Buffett said, the more you learn, the more you earn. So you got to remember that. So if you want to change your life, you're going to have to get that knowledge and then apply that knowledge, right? You got to learn about real estate. You got to learn from the best people. You got to learn about mortgage. So, if you want to learn more about Mortgage University, click on the link below. Get signed up. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. It's a lifetime guarantee, and it's here to help you, to educate you so you can be successful. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for checking out Talk with Angelo today. We do this every single Friday, where you have an opportunity to talk with me, ask me questions. You can call in and ask me about anything. Leave a message down below in the chat box if there's anything you want to discuss. And please share the information with your friends and family. We work very, very hard here, the whole team, and all this content's free to teach you and educate you, to empower you about mortgage and real estate and finance. Follow us on our Facebook, our Instagram, our LinkedIn, and our YouTube channel. We love coming out here with you guys and educating you and empowering you. I hope you all have a great weekend and that you're successful. Again, if you need help with buying a home, or you need help with your credit or income, or joining the university, reach out to us. We're going to be here for you. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye, everyone.